Me? Me I come go a Bible study. Remember to take your medication, you hear me? 2 weeks now you have it COVID. And me tell you say you're up in a age now and you fi go a doctor because next thing you get a pneumonia with the COVID. And me no really want to lose you because me no know how me would manage. Because me can't depend on Brian. So me a content time going down at church. Sister Mark, Sister Mark, I am coming, fans, so I am coming. I am coming, I'm getting dressed, I'm coming. Come on, girl, make we go on. Hold on there, me hear me phone a ring. Hello? Hello? Oh, Mr. Reed. Oh, so what you saying now, Mr. Reed? Because I know Anna Ben call you. Me never call you. Because me not travel, me not go nowhere. The money? No. The same day me tell you say, you fi ben come for the money. Me left the money give Brian. When me a go to church. You no get the money? Oh God Almighty! Fanso, what happened to you? I drop down. Eh? I hold it up on the phone, Fanso drop down to rotted. Huh? Taxi. Hold on the taxi. Let me care Fanso down a hospital. Jesus, Savior, Fanso drop down. Eh? I wonder who did the panny phone. Our bad news in here. Make him drop down. Rock, stone, gut you know. And when me I go tell me, I say, her husband dropped down after receiving a phone call. I am Dr. Wish. And you are? Oh, doctor. Oh, doctor. Oh, doctor. Oh, I wish my delay. Hey. Medium. Oh, Alfanso Esquire Woodbine. Oh. Mr. Alfanso Esquire Woodbine. Oh, your name are so big. Well, a lady has brought you in for the doctor today, saying that you got a bad news and dropped down on the road. So the doctor is going to sound you to find out what is really happening with you. Me here, oh, me born 1949, the 30th of February. Me a 75. Ooh. Oh, your heart is beating very fast. Yes. So what type of bad news did you get on your phone, Mr. Alfanso? Oh, Oh, you gave your grandson some money to give the taxi man, and your grandson didn't give it to the taxi man. Oh, and the taxi man call you, and you drop down same time. For that, your heart is beating very fast, Mr. Alfanso. Hold on. You want to test my pressure? Ooh, ooh, oh, oh. Well, put this on your hand so I can take your pressure. You want to test my pressure? Ooh, ooh, oh, oh. Wow! You need to be admitted emergency. Your blood pressure is 205 over 180. Not looking good at all, Mr. Alfonso. We need to admit your emergency. I am not even going to write you any prescription today because you need to be admitted. We need to place you on the ward ASAP. Wow. It really shocked you, Mr. Alfonso. It really shocked you. Terrible, terrible. Doctor, you are going to admit me? Eh? No, doctor, no admit me. Me pressure high. Eh? Hey. Do doctor nobody admit me. Oh, me her dress. Me no wear dress. Oh, oh, where me live? 25 Woodside Drive. Oh.